Human rights lawyer Chel Diokno has been barred by the Philippine National Police from saying his client, Sen.Leila de Lima. It happened on June 5 when Diokno, along with Father Flavio Villanueva and de Lima's Chief of Staff, Attorney Philip Sawali, went to Camp Crame. They waited for about an hour outside the custodial center, but the PNP turned them away, citing procedural matters. De Lima's camp claims the lady senator has been prevented from having visitors since April 25. Diokno and Sawali maintain that lawyers, doctors, priests, and counselors are considered essential visitors. Preventing de Lima to have access to them is a violation of her rights.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.